All right, this is homework practice 6-6. Basically what we're doing is showing the students how to subtract and then use the numbers from subtraction to add back together to check our answers. So 86 minus 9, and the kids are all experts now at regrouping. So 6 minus 9 we know isn't going to work. We're going to have to regroup this. The 8 becomes a 7. The 6 becomes a 16 because we moved the group of 10 over. 6 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus nothing is 77. Now what we're going to do is I taught the students to circle these two numbers here, and we're going to add them together. So 77 plus 9, let's add them together. 7 plus 9 is 16, and 1 plus 7 is 8. So we're checking. We had an 86 here, we have a 9 here, and a 77 here. So we're just using the same way to check our answer by adding. 54 minus 19, we're going to have to regroup that because 4 minus 9 is not going to work. That becomes a 4, that becomes a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So 35, we're going to take these bottom two numbers here and add them together to check to make sure we did it right. 19 plus 35. 9 plus 5 is 14, and we have to regroup and move the one group of 10 over. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and so again we've got 54, 54, 19, 19, 35, so we can check it that way as well. 63 minus 37, 3 minus 7. We have to check first of all to see if we have to regroup. And we do because 3, if I have 3, I can't subtract 7 from it. The 6 groups of 10 becomes 5 groups of 10. The 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. And 5 minus 3 is 2. We're going to take these bottom two numbers here and add them together. 37 plus 26. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5, 6, 63. So we can try it again. 63, 37, 26. So we're just checking to make sure that you can add to get the correct answer as well. All right, let's flip it over to the back page here. All right. It says Mei Ling has 71 marbles. Then she loses 25. Loses again lets us know that we're subtracting. How many marbles does Mei Ling have left? So we're going to do 71 minus 25. 1 minus 5 will not work. We have to regroup. That's going to become a group of 6. 1 plus 10 is going to become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. We're going to take these bottom two numbers. So we've already found out 46 is our answer here. But now we're going to add them together to check. 25 plus 46. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Denise has 51 beads. Then she uses 32 beads to make a bracelet. Uses lets us know that we're subtracting because she's taken away. How many of her beads does Denise have left to use? So we're going to do 51 minus 32. 1 minus 2. If I have 1, can I subtract 2? I cannot. So I know I'm going to have to regroup. So we have 5 groups of 10. That becomes 4 groups of 10 because I'm adding one group of 10 over here. And that becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. We're going to take these bottom two numbers here, and we're going to use that to check our answer. 32 plus 19. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So we have 51, 51, 32, 32, 19, 19. Okay, number sense. Write the number that makes the equation true. So this should be very easy for these students to take a look at. They have to be the same. I teach them that equal sign means the same as. So if they solve over here first, so we have 63 minus 20 equals, let's see, do 63 minus 20, so that you can have the work. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this over here equals 42. So this also has to equal 42. So 20 plus what is going to, I'm sorry, equals 43. 43. 20 plus what is going to equal 43. So they could do 43 minus 20. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 23. Or they can just add up, whichever way they'd like to do it. So 58 minus 40, I'm sorry, 58 minus 40. 58 minus 40. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 1, 4 is 1. So we know this side equals 18. So this other side also has to equal 18. 18 plus what equals 18? 0. So equal sign means the same as. 75 minus 30. So let's do 75 minus 30. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. So this equals 45. We have 15 plus something. This needs to equal 45 as well. So again, the students can subtract it if they want to. They can go 45 minus 15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. And we know that 30 plus 15 equals 45. Let's take a look at our last one here. It's 89 minus 46. So 89 minus 46. 9 minus 6 is 3. We don't have to regroup. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we know this equals 43. This one over here also has to equal 43. So 43 is 30 plus what? We can do 43 minus 30. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 equals 13 on this one. And finally, number 7 is our Common Core assessment. Lana subtracts to find 52 minus 39. So which addition equation could Lana use to find her answer? 52 minus 39. 2 minus 9 is not going to work. That becomes 12. That becomes 4. 4 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, which is 13, but it's asking us what we can add. So the student should know that if we add these last two here, we'll get the answer there at the top. So the answer is C.